In our team, we have 15 employees on the payroll, and we have also 15 freelancers at Skybase. And within the Kiwa company, we have a lot of pilots, let's say, and in total we have 11 Elios drones. I'm Bart Daniels. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Skybase, and we're working now for around 4 years as a service provider with flyability drones. We started with Skybase with outdoor inspections, but we saw there was a need for confined space inspections. In that time, we were looking for a supplier for hardware for confined space zones, and we bumped up to flyability. And the drone gives us opportunities to inspect confined spaces, cheaper, faster, and in a qualitative manner, without sending people into those environments. We decided to inspect with robots on confined spaces and outdoor, but now more and more on confined spaces because it's locations that are hard to reach, quite critical environments, and sending a drones makes more sense than sending a person into that area. We are working in Belgium, the Netherlands, and going abroad as well, but big customers of us are ExxonMobil, Total, BASF, INEOS, Covesto, Bayer, companies like that. Actually, what we do with Skybase, we are buying the hardware from Flyability, and then we are selling the solution to the end customer, together with our AI and our data analysis. And actually, we are capturing data and providing the insights to the customer. And we are not selling the Flyability drone, we are selling the insights of their assets. When does it need to be maintained? When does it need to be repaired, for example? And that's the critical information that the customer needs. They don't need the drone, they need the solutions and the insights. The typical reaction we get from customers if we present the Elios 3 the first time is, oh, we don't need to enter anymore. That's a positive one. The negative one is that they're replacing ourselves, but that's not true. We are replacing the inspector, but actually that's not true. We are supporting them with new tools to get better insights into the assets. And that's a thing we see a lot, and that the inspectors are a little bit not sure about the solution, but it's really helping them. It's not replacing them. We are helping the inspectors to better inspect, actually. The customers are seeing added value to the drone, but also in analyzing the data with, for example, AI. So they see that there is some involvement going on and improvement going on, and they really want to use it. But now at this point, they are looking for the opportunities they are. So they are now investigating what they can use in their procedures and what not. In the beginning, the people are very controversial, let's say, about new innovations in the industry, specifically the oil and gas. But now they see the opportunities of drones in inspections, for example. They don't need to send people in critical environments, explosive environments with emissions over there. And it's way more safe to send a drone instead of a person. So they see the added value. But still there is some work done, and people need to be convinced about the camera solutions, hardware equipment used. So it's a work in progress, but you see some benefits and improvements, and there is a way forward. The market is open for it, but it's still some work needs to be done. We have a good relationship with Flyability and the team. We have a straight connection to the R&D, and they're really listening to us what the needs are from in the field. And they are continuously working on the improvements of the drone. At this moment, there are different kind of payloads with the Elios 3, and they are interchangeable. You have the LiDAR, you have the watt thickness measurement, you have the camera, of course, and there are way more features coming out. And there's also a strong relationship between Skybase and Flyability regarding research and development. They are really listening to the customers and what their needs are, and the service providers, of course. The learning curve to fly with an Elios 3 is somehow easy, but we are flying in critical environments. So what we do, we teach the persons to fly with an FPV in ATI mode. So really know the basics of flying with a drone. And then we provide additional training to the training that's provided by Flyability to really level up and to have very professional pilots. Because we Skybase are flying in quite critical environment. So we need to have very experienced and people and pilots. They know what the limits of the equipment are, but also the limits of the process of the customer, for example. The needs for a service provider to do some operations is first knowing what the customer needs to know, what are the insights they need to have. And then, for example, if it's a confined space problem, you can have a confined space drone like the Elios 3. Buy it or lease it. It depends on your need and capability. And next to that, having persons trained to fly that kind of equipment, because you probably will fly in critical zones and you cannot take risks. You always have to know what you are capable to do with the hardware and what's not. Because you always need to work safe and capturing the data next to it. It's a relationship about safety and efficiency and quality. My advice to other service providers is know what the hardware is, know what the customer needs are, and try to connect them. And to find a solution by yourself to give insights to the customer.